journey of healthy eating, happy living. And today I've got Ragi pancakes for you. It's a delicious recipe for all those people who have a sweet tooth just like me, but adding a good touch of taste and health with ragi flour. Ragi flour, you can make it at home. You can buy ragi and you can grind it into flour, or you get the ragi flour in the market as well. It's loaded with iron, minerals, protein, fiber. It's gluten-free and it is so good for health, for skin, for hair, and for digestion as well. So these pancakes are really close to my heart. A, because it's gluten-free because of ragi, thanks to ragi. I'm adding milk to it, but in case if you're vegan, you can add water as well. I'm adding yogurt instead of egg or banana, so it's purely vegetarian, and I'm going to sweeten it with yummy jaggery. So this plate full of goodness is going to be a yummy and healthy breakfast for all the breakfast lovers. I'm going to have my breakfast. What about you?